Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith here with Svelte Training. I've got an awesome, super easy chocolate pudding, and it has avocado in it. I know you're probably going like, burp, avocado, green chocolate pudding. Don't eat it, don't eat it. It's really good, I promise. So, super simple recipe. You have 2 avocados. They're gonna be pretty ripe and they're gonna be blended. Then you're gonna have a ½ cup of almond milk and a 1/3 cup of the cocoa powder. And then you're also gonna have 3 teaspoons of honey. So all you have to do is put it in, mix it, and put it in the fridge. These over here are just some other toppings that we're gonna put on top just because they're really good. But what we're doing here is not only combining something that has healthy fats in it, but it's also gonna taste really good and it's gonna trick any chocolate lover. I want you to give this to someone that loves chocolate pudding, and I want you to swipe this in there and see what they say, because they will not know the difference. So what we're gonna do is just dump it all in, and then you'll see how easy this recipe really is. So first things first, got the honey, natural sweetness, as well as a great anti-inflammatory. Then we will go with the almond milk. So I like vanilla unsweetened almond milk, so it kind of gives it a little bit of a different flavor. You don't have to use the vanilla. I would say use the unsweetened because they do add a lot of extra sugars in the regular almond milk or coconut milk or cashew milk. Then you're going your cocoa powder. Make sure you get all of the ingredients in. And then you're going the blended avocado. So just put it in a blender. Make sure they're ripe, because if they're not ripe, it's gonna taste a little funky. So getting a ripe avocado, everyone asked me this question. It's gonna be a little bit darker color and it's gonna be soft. If you open it up, it might have like a little bit of brown, but it's okay. It actually tastes really good. So now you're just blending everything together, and you really wanna make sure that you're actually folding everything in, because it's actually not going to mix as easy as you think it would, because the cocoa powder just kind of sits at the top. So you really have to work it in. All right, so after you pull it out, after about 20 minutes, it's gonna set. All you have to do is grab any kind of topping you want. We're using actually toasted coconut, which is high in manganese. So just sprinkle it over top. You can also add nuts. You can add even some dried fruit, and that recipe is it. All done. So really simple, really great for you. You can actually swap it out for anybody that is a chocolate lover. I dare you to give them this, because they will not know the difference. So for more recipes just like this and workouts, check out our YouTube channel, like it, look at all the videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.